Rumors are going around about the Lenovo Legion Go Lite, a potential new entry in the handheld gaming market. The name suggests it's a scaled-down version of the original Legion Go, possibly arriving with a more affordable price tag. While the original model impressed with its bold specs, its awkward design and quirks like removable controllers left some users wanting more. If these rumors are true, the Lite version could address these issues and offer a streamlined, more accessible gaming experience. The design of the Legion Go Lite is expected to be more refined and user-friendly than its predecessor. Think of it as the sleek, compact sibling that ditches unnecessary frills for a more straightforward and comfortable grip. Gone might be the removable controllers, which, while innovative, made the original model feel cumbersome. Instead, the Lite version could focus on a more cohesive, ergonomic design, making it easier to pick up and play without any hassle. The overall form factor might be smaller, making it more portable and convenient for on-the-go gaming. Additionally, the device's aesthetic might lean towards a more minimalist approach, with clean lines and a streamlined interface that emphasizes ease of use. The materials used could be lighter yet durable, ensuring that the device remains sturdy during intensive gaming sessions. The button layout and joystick placement are likely to be optimized for comfort, reducing hand strain during prolonged use. Overall, the design improvements should make the Legion Go Lite not only visually appealing but also a joy to handle, enhancing the gaming experience in every way. Details about the specs of the Legion Go Lite are still under wraps, but there are some educated guesses we can make based on the leaks. The device is rumored to feature the same AMD Ryzen Z1 APU range, which could be a double-edged sword. If Lenovo opts for the non-extreme version of the Ryzen Zone, it might struggle to keep up with the performance of the higher-end models like the Asus ROG Ally with its Ryzen Z1 Extreme. However, even with the standard Ryzen Zone, the Lite version could still offer decent performance for casual gamers. The screen size might be reduced compared to the original Legion Go's 8.8-inch display. A 7-inch screen with a potentially lower resolution would not only make the device more compact but also help in cutting costs. Despite the smaller size, the screen might still boast a 144Hz refresh rate, providing smooth gameplay and making it a unique offering in the budget handheld market. Additional features like a trackpad could also be part of the package, enhancing the device's versatility and appeal. These elements, combined with a more affordable price point, could make the Legion Go Lite a strong contender against devices like the Steam Deck and the Asus ROG Ally. Lenovo could theoretically cut costs and still offer up something unique. Not to mention it's easier to boost FPS to suit playing at 800p anyway. Battery life is a crucial aspect of any handheld device, and the Legion Go Lite is expected to deliver in this area. By potentially using a lower resolution screen and a less power-hungry APU, the Lite version might offer improved battery efficiency compared to its predecessor. Users could expect several hours of gameplay on a single charge, making it a reliable companion for long gaming sessions or travel. Furthermore, advancements in battery technology might allow for quicker charging times, reducing downtime between gaming sessions. The device might also include power-saving features and modes that can be toggled to extend battery life even further during less demanding tasks. These enhancements in battery performance will be particularly appealing to gamers who value portability and extended playtime without being tethered to a power source. While there's no official word on the release date, Lenovo Legion Go Lite is supposedly on the way, per the sources Windows Central mentioned. As for the price, hitting a sub $400 mark would make it a highly attractive option in the handheld gaming market. This price point would position it competitively against the Steam Deck and the lower-end Asus ROG Ally, making it an appealing choice for budget-conscious gamers looking for a capable handheld device. Lenovo's strategy with the Legion Go Lite seems to be aimed at capturing a broader audience by offering a blend of performance, design, and affordability. If they can manage to launch the device at this price point, it could set a new standard for what consumers expect from budget handheld gaming devices. Retailers might also offer various bundles, including accessories and games, further increasing the value proposition for potential buyers. The Lenovo Legion Go Lite promises to be a streamlined and budget-friendly alternative to the original model, potentially fixing previous design issues while maintaining solid performance. With a rumored release on the horizon and a competitive price tag, this new handheld could be the perfect gaming companion for those looking to balance cost and quality. Keep an eye out for its official announcement. It might just be the device you've been waiting for.